Welcome back. Now we will use Spark to access data from Cassandra. For that we will be using Spark shell with configuration with localhost. So I have installed Cassandra on local system. So IP address is 127.0.0.1. Slash means indicates a continuation on the second line. We have using datastack package Spark Cassandra connector. This extension also configuration Spark SQL extension from Cassandra, that is datastack company. So we need to I will provide you this command in the download section. You can download the code where we will be executing Spark shell. Spark shell is available in, you can see Spark shell is available in this directory. So installation step of Spark has been provided to you. So now I will execute this command, that is we are going into Spark shell environment. Just press enter. So our Spark shell will be available. When you are running for the first time, it will take some time because we will be downloading the Spark database, Spark Cassandra connector from DataStack. So once Scala prompt is available, we will pursue with the code execution. Now we need to create a my catalog for our Cassandra connection. So we are setting some configuration so that we can access the Cassandra data. So I will type spark.conf. Conf means configuration. We are setting spark.sql.catalog equal to .myCatalog from com.datastack spark connector data source Cassandra catalog. So this is done. Now what I will do is I will write a query spark.sql select star from mycatalog.spark Cassandra read data, that is the table which we created. It has two records. So now let's press enter. So will be fetching those records and the data will be displayed on the screen. Here you can see employee ID and employee name has been displayed. So this is the employee ID and employee name 1 2 Sam Joy. So here you can see we can access the data. We can also access the data by data frame, Spark data frame. Well df equal to spark.read.table my catalog Spark Cassandra read data. This is the key space Spark Cassandra and read data is the table name. So data frame got created. Let's print the number of record count. df.count will display the number of records. We have two records, that is Sam and Joy. You can see over here Sam and Joy. Now df.show. The data frame will be displayed. So here you can see employee ID, employee name, data has been displayed. Now we will write this data into write data table. So here you can see write data is empty. So what I will do is I will go to Spark command prompt and I will write df.write the data frame which we have fetched, we will write into write data table and dot append, so the data will be appended at the end. df.write my catalog Spark Cassandra write data. Now you can see data has been written in Cassandra. So this is how Spark and Cassandra combination is. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.